Connecticut Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 1.
Question 1. How can you reduce your reaction time?
Hover your feet above the ground. Cover the clutch and brakes. Lock your elbows when riding. Decrease your following distance.
Answer.
Cover the clutch and brakes.
Question 2. When riding a motorcycle, you can share your lane when
riding in the right lane position only. You should never share your lane. Sharing it with another motorcycle. When riding between rows of vehicles.
Answer.
You should never share your lane.
Question 3. Adequate following distance means there is at least seconds of space between yourself and the vehicle ahead of you.
1, 4, 3, 2.
Answer.
2.
Question 4. What are 3 steps in the C judgment process?
Search, examine, execute. C. Evaluate, examine. Search, evaluate, execute. C. Evaluate, explain.
Answer.
Search, evaluate, execute.
Question 5. The best way to deal with a tailgater is to
let them pass you. Beep your horn. Slow down. Speed away from them.
Answer.
Let them pass you.
Question 6. Which of the following does not increase night riding safety?
Passing slow vehicles. Wearing reflective coating. Decreasing your speed. Changing your lane position.
Answer.
Passing slow vehicles.
Question 7. When being passed by another vehicle, you must be alert for
blasts of wind. All these answers are correct. Extended side mirrors. Things being thrown from vehicles.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 8. To maintain adequate control of the motorcycle, your arms should be positioned
with elbows slightly bent. With elbows locked. With wrists locked. At an angle of 90 degrees.
Answer.
With elbows slightly bent.
Question 9. When is it important to use your side mirrors?
When you are stopped at an intersection. Before changing lanes. Before you slow down. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 10. If there are hazards to your left, which lane position should you ride in?
2. 2 or 3. 1. 1 or 3.
Answer.
2 or 3.
Question 11. Your motorcycle side mirrors should be adjusted
while you are driving. At the first stop after you start driving. Before you start driving. The mirrors are not adjustable.
Answer.
Before you start driving.
Question 12. What color of clothing makes you most visible to other drivers?
All these answers are correct. Yellow, green, orange.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 13. When parked next to a curb, how should you position your motorcycle?
At an angle with the front wheel touching the curb. Perpendicular to the curb. Parallel to the curb. At an angle, with the rear wheel touching the curb.
Answer.
At an angle, with the rear wheel touching the curb.
Question 14. The most effective lane position should
Avoid blind spots. Avoid wind blasts from vehicles. Make yourself visible. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 15. When passing another vehicle you should
Begin your pass from the center lane position. Move quickly through the blind spot. Move as far left as possible. Make eye contact with the driver.
Answer.
Move quickly through the blind spot.
Question 16. The location with the greatest chance of a collision with another vehicle is
On hills. At intersections. In parking lots. On curves.
Answer.
At intersections.
Question 17. During turns, you should lean your motorcycle while keeping your body straight.
Fast, tight. Slow, tight. Fast, wide. Slow, wide.
Answer.
Slow, tight.
Question 18. Help balance your motorcycle while turning by
Dragging your feet on the ground. Keeping both knees against the gas tank. All these answers are correct. Leaning the opposite way of the motorcycle.
Answer.
Keeping both knees against the gas tank.
Question 19. The safest way to use saddlebags is to
Make sure all saddlebags are full. Only use one saddlebag at a time. Not carry a passenger at the same time. Distribute the weight evenly between them.
Answer.
Distribute the weight evenly between them.
Question 20. Which of the following does not lessen your chance of a collision?
Change lane position. Maintaining an adequate space cushion. Parallel parking on the street. Wear bright clothing.
Answer.
Parallel parking on the street.
Question 21. You are in danger of hitting an object and need to swerve to avoid it. What is the best way to initiate the swerve?
Lean sharply in the direction you need to swerve. Lean sharply in the opposite direction from which you need to swerve. Apply a small amount of pressure to the handle of the side you need to swerve. Apply a small amount of pressure to the handle of the opposite side you need to swerve.
Answer.
Apply a small amount of pressure to the handle of the side you need to swerve.
Question 22. When making a routine stop at a stop sign, you should
use the front brake only. Use the rear brake only. Use both front and rear brakes. Gear down until rolling to a stop.
Answer.
Use both front and rear brakes.
Question 23. If approaching a blind intersection with the stop line, where should you stop?
On the stop line. At the stop line only. Past the stop line, where you can see clearly. At the stop line first, then further to help see.
Answer.
At the stop line first, then further to help see.
Question 24. In order for the driver of the vehicle ahead of you to see you easily, the best lane position is
the left, the center, the right, any lane.
Answer.
The center.
Question 25. When looking where you plan to go, you should turn
your upper body, your eyes only, your head and eyes, your head and shoulders.
Answer.
Your head and eyes. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.